Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So guys, it has been a minute since I vlogged. Yes, I put up a vlog yesterday, and well, today is the 14th. I put up a vlog the 13th, but that vlog was like long ago. So yeah, but yeah, I'm up. It is summer, but my gonna work thing. I was at camp last week, and then this week I have a workshop, but it's at a hotel, so you know, so bad. You know, I not think it's so bad. So I'm gonna be heading to Bahia today, and I'll be there until Thursday. So yeah. How have you guys been doing? Me kind of tired. Like, camp mashed me up. We got kiddies camp, and it's like those kids have a lot of energy that we didn't know, but we confirm it. I won't find energy, but yeah. Packed and ready to go. So this is what I'm carrying. I hope I have everything, guys. I'm supposed to be carrying like work related clothes, plus we carry like little clothes for evening and probably for morning. And I got my bag, and I got Kenesia. Say hi. Alright guys, so we get our room, and I like the view. So I just went to the pool. It wasn't bad. It's actually really warm. And I was at the shady part, but I didn't really swim around because I don't want my hair to get wet. So I just put it down a while ago, but it actually made it hurt me. I don't know. So I don't know. I don't want to sleep. Well, I want to sleep, right? I want to sleep, but I don't want to go up and sleep, because if I do sleep, then it means that I'm either going to sleep past dinner, because of how tired I am. I just feel it, so I'm going to sleep past dinner and then just get up late, or we'll know if I sleep later. I'm not going to even sleep. I've insomnia, people, and I have to think about these things, because when I have to sleep later, I don't have to sleep now. So I think I'm gonna see if I can like walk around, see if I can find like where the beach is at. I think the last time we came, the beach wasn't all that, so I don't know. The pool though, it's quite great, so you know, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm ready for dinner. It's not much. I'm just put on my dress is the outfit of the night. You mean a Crocs, because we can't bother.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay.
Good morning.
I don't get with you, don't feel brand new. I'm in a void in you.
NT, you made this?
Because not everybody is so forward thinking. You know, he knows.
This future wealth down the road is really comprised of your present wealth and the total rate of return after tax.
We're in the pool, guys. We are in the pool. I wish I could find a shade like yesterday. But I'm not gonna keep. I need shade. We're gonna go out there some. It is. It's so sunny. But I know what's on the phone, don't ask me. But I'm bored and I'm kind of alone, so gotta walk with the phone. I don't know, I'm bored. So I'm gonna walk with the phone. I'll let me kind of come and try to get up my ears. Might as well. I'm gonna find a little cool shaded part.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day, in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
Alright guys, so yeah, still at the pool. It's like currently after 6. I don't know, I'm just enjoying myself, guys. As we say, I'm gonna make the vibe not be clear. Yeah, I'm by myself, but that's why I vlog. That's why I'm kind of decided to vlog so much this week, because I don't got the company. So I'm just chilling, just enjoying the pool, being myself. Cause y'all know I love the water. Y'all know I love the water. Love the water. I just love the water. And the thing is that about this water, I don't know. I don't stop really spreading it because yeah, probably if you come out soon. But the water is so warm. Like it is so warm. Like that tea. So warm. But yeah, enjoying the water, guys. Because you see, when I do this now, when I looked at the agenda, right? So I explain. I'm look on the agenda every day. The workshop being done 3:30. Today was actually gonna go up beyond 3:30 because we left out of the room like near to 4 o'clock. Like it's about 3:40, right? And it never done. And we were tired and the place was hot, so we left. So go, I'm asleep for about an hour. I set my clock, yeah, because I'm reach up. It was 4 or something. I'm gonna set the clock. I'm gonna say, alright, I'm gonna wake up 5, and then I'm gonna come down here from 5 to 6. But I'm here after 6. I thought the pool would be closed, but it's not. So I want to enjoy till them 12 cards. So yeah. So I've been looking at it like every day. They're supposed to done like 5:30. And then for the last day when we're supposed to leave, it's done 12, and that's literally the time when we're supposed to leave, check out, I think. So let's say, like, unlikely, but I can't really make up your money if you come here at hotel. I don't know. I can't really put no money if you come to hotel and then not enjoy nothing for the hotel. Like, I don't get it. You know? So yeah, I'm back in here for a few more minutes. Go and soak in the water. Hopefully I'm not up. But if I'm up, then so be it. So be it. Anyways, bye!
Through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what it shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it?
I guess I come out because I need to pee, so many minutes. Hold on, don't go. I don't pee myself before I reach up. Man.
It's shining down on me, but it's singing red.
I'm up and ready to go. I look like hurt, but hey, so it goes. Anyways, I'm up. I was trying to edit a video because tell me why CapCut, like it's full paid kinda right now, because the other day I finished the last vlog I uploaded. I actually edited and exported on that, and then all of a sudden the one that I edited that I want to upload next, well, not gonna see it where it is, that vlog plus a short, I was trying to, but don't edit it, ready to export it, and then realized this is something about join for standard, and then what I'm realizing is that I can't export any more videos, so I have to be re-editing the vlog. So I'm gonna try to use one app named VN. Anyway, so that was my alarm. So I'll get breakfast, guys. I don't want to leave for breakfast. I don't want to leave for people something. So we can go. Anyway, that's what I come out. So it's time for me to go.
Won't you please come? Yeah. And we say amen, 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 amen. Amen, amen, amen.
Hey guys, I don't know if I talk so much from morning. I don't even know what my vlog from morning. But yeah, just left the pool. But now my orange spot's cute. Anyways. I just have to leave the pool right now. I'm the last one out the pool today. I like that, because today's like my last day that I can actually go to the pool, because tomorrow we end at I think after 12, so I don't know what that's at work. I don't know if anybody's gonna go in the pool. I doubt it, so I'm just gonna have to go home anyway. So I made sure I enjoyed my 3 evenings. Can't complain. I enjoyed it really well. So yeah, I'll go up now, have a bed, and then go dinner.
Give us this day our daily bread. say amen, 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 amen.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.